This is how you can make a minigun out of those sticks. So what you're wanting to do is first you gotta make wheels like this. You gotta make 7 of them. But let me just quickly show you how to make one in hyperlapse. Alright guys, so I finished making them. So as you see, I got 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, this one's 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so now I'm going to connect them. I don't know how to explain to you guys how I connect them. So after I finish connecting them, I'm just gonna show you. So I finished coupling them together, whatever it's called. This is how it looks when you look inside. It looks very cool. And this is how it looks from the outside, but there's a small problem. It looks like an oil barrel that a kid painted, and it's not long enough for a minigun. So I think that I need to make 3 more and stack them up. Not 3 more oil barrels, and 3 more circles. And if you don't know how I managed to make them stay up like this on each other, this is a small replica that I built of the sides. So this is how I managed to do it. Look. So I'm gonna make 3 more circles and stack them on top here, and then I'll see you again. Alright guys, so I finished it, but I realized that when I build it with 9 layers, it's way too big and keeps falling over, so I made it 8. Here you go. If you think it looks different, well, you're not wrong, because it is bigger, and I may or may not have rage quitted and threw it into the ground like I haven't spent an hour on it. But now I need to make a handle. So I think I have an idea. So I'm gonna take 2 of those right here on the end. I'm gonna make 2 handles, one here at the end. So you get closer so you can see what I'm actually doing. One here at the end, and one about, let's say, here. So what I'm doing right now is that I've took one and put it like this. You can see. And now I'm gonna take another one and place it on the other side. Bum. There you go. Now I need to take 2 wheels, one of those tiny ones. Stick them here and here, but slightly twist. But when I put them in, they need to be slightly twisted so that they are flat. Yep, no, they're flat. And now take these. But actually, I don't think I need the wheels. Yeah, no, I don't need the wheels. So without the wheels, and now you just put those in, but still you need them to be straight. And bibbidi bobbidi boop. Done. But now here is where we're gonna put the wheel. There you go. this isn't gonna hold anything, so I'm gonna reinforce it with those. Put them right here in here, and right now bend this. No, I don't need to bend it. Wait. I need to get another part. Now that I got this little one, the one that's like an X. Put it through the wheel, but not a lot, just enough so it stays in. Now grab another wheel, mount it on the other end, and now just on the wheel so that I can, yep. There you go. And now I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Wait, can I do it? Yeah. No, I cannot do it again. Are you serious right now? It broke. So just so you know, guys, this isn't gonna be able to, like, let's say that if you wanna hold it, no, you are not gonna be able to hold it. It's just for display, just to have fun while building it. I might post another video in which I'm going to try to make an AK-47. You'll see how that is gonna work. And now we want to do the same thing that we did over here. Look, this, but here. Let me. You'll see how it looks when I finish. So I finished it, and this is how it looks. And doesn't look much like a minigun, if you ask me. But I tried my best. And here it is. Bye.